Until kunzwa zvakare muchiti MDC Alliance lomwe munasirimi. Never say that. Never say your way. Never say your identity. Morgan Shangela will be angry. We are the MDC Alliance. Kwanzi G4 funded it. Take this. What is the G?
The G40 fronting outfit.
You are the MDC. Don't throw your identity. Don't betray the President Shangela. He fought very hard for that thing to come up. It was the creation in the base of the 2 million votes. Yes. Do you know that? Yes. Don't betray him. Yes. So from today onwards, we are the MDC Alliance. I want you to have confidence that this party is in the capable hands. Yes. This party is going to be the choice of the general public.
Oh, yes.
Everyone is going to choose this party.
Yes.
Come the time, we will see. Don't lose hope.